Nigga. Nigga. Is you show these painkillers? I've been feeling pain, nigga. Ever since my granny died, been hard to write my feelings. I just buckle down, hustle around, I knew I'd be the biggest. I can serve the whole city, one day, nigga, get with me. I got lows that got a good nose if you don't fuck with highs. I been throwing, floating in this low, plugging through some more. I don't wanna keep on selling bowls, I'm trying to get some season growth. I done had this whole street slam till like the disco.
What's good, y'all, man? It's 4-Nit Pat, man. We finna do some damage. We on the way to the indoor range. I was gonna go to the outdoor, but you know, it got too dark. I let time get away from me today, so we're going to the indoor one. But yeah, I'm feeling real 7.62ish. I got we got the Drake with us. We got the 7.62 rifle, and we got the 7.62 AR pistol. I'm gonna show them more to y'all when we get in them, but we definitely working with some nice shit, some powerful stuff, you know. And we also got the 10 milli with us today. We might get some shots, and I don't know, we ain't got that much time. We only got like 45 minutes, you feel me? But you know. Yeah, we finna see what they looking like, man. I might grab a membership if they, you know, if they treat me the right way and whatnot. Make sure they, you know, let a young brother record and everything like that.
I grown to beat this shit slam.
Get on, take off. Nigga. Okay, today was just a chill day. I still got me some paper on your block. I have a field day. Show you how to scrape it. You ain't even got a little pay. Why the fuck you hating on me? I been running game on them. Steady switching lanes on them. I can show a nigga big dog to show me my opponent. Nigga faking tough, he try to force it when he in the moment. Same pair of forces, I'm recouping in them daily.
Alright. We're gonna try this regular ass quick cut now. This bitch, we're gonna see what this bitch do. How many times this bitch gonna jam on me? See this bitch. Ooh wee, it just loading heavy. This bitch just loading heavy, man. Get the camera on. Get the camera on. I don't think this bitch gonna be worth the fuck. This bitch is low ugly, man. Ooh. This bitch is low ugly, bro. Ugh. I ain't gonna waste too much. Because it's too big, man. I don't think this bitch gonna work. Ain't no fucking way.
Alright, who said they wanted one?
We finna see what this bitch do. We got running the clip. I only put like 8 in this bitch because the way it was loading, I don't even think this bitch was racked. I don't think there's no way this bitch gonna take the whole shit.
Let that shit ride, 88. It's a dog eat dog world, I gotta be the biggest. We got young niggas dying, we got real niggas sitting. Put an S on that box, we ain't fucking with the system. Put an S on his back, we gon' crop him out the picture. I'ma run through these raps, try to paint a bigger picture. I ain't never tell my tail, I ain't one of these pussy niggas. I ain't never run and tell, I got niggas in the cell. If I told you that I will, then I will, like for real. I'm outside tryna get this shit right. If a pussy nigga move, then I'm taking his life. I done came from the bottom, I ain't taking it light. I had people that I love tryna creep through the night. You know it is what it is, I ain't crying over spilled milk. And it was what it was, I ain't tryna fix no friendship. Gotta keep that business tight, better hold them niggas right. Gotta keep that business tight, can't ignore it. I'm outside tryna get this shit right. If a pussy nigga move, then I'm taking his life. I done came from the bottom, I ain't taking it light. I had people that I love tryna creep through the night. You know it is what it is, I ain't crying over spilled milk. And it was what it was, I ain't tryna fix no friendship. Gotta keep that business tight, better hold them niggas right. Gotta keep that business. Yeah, you bad, but you just ain't the one I'm missing, mama. It ain't no issue. If it was, I come through swinging llamas. The way this big boy sounds, she think I'm riding in a Hummer. I love to rap about my bleed, that bitch my MC Hammer. You ain't never.
Alright,
Loaded? Alright, that's ready to go.
I think I counted 2 jams on this out of 50 bullets. The clear jam 2 times out of 50.
I love to rap about my bleed, that bitch my MC Hammer. You ain't never powered up, nigga Bruce Banner. Baby crack the door, I think I'm catching contact. If you ain't trying to scope for me, where you finna crash at? She asking what I'm doing, where I went, I'm where the bags at. I'm trying to dodge the task force, I'm perfect in a challenger. She trying to throw that ass mo, perk her, then I challenge her. After we get our rocks off, we finna count some paper. Don't forget to add that 1 jit to the notes, he owe me paper. Baby girl, it ain't no hard feelings, just can't do no layover. All the shit I gotta do, I don't think it's gonna count some paper. Don't forget to add that 1 jit to the notes, he owe me paper. Baby girl, it ain't no hard feelings, just can't do no layover. All the shit I gotta do, I don't think it's smart to stay over. Posted somewhere different every day, I'ma get my thing off. Hate my intuition, get it tripping, having strange thoughts. Yeah, you bad, but you just ain't the one I'm missing, mama. It ain't no issue. If it was, I come through swinging llamas. The way this big boy sounds, she thinks she riding in a Hummer. I love to rap about my bleed, that bitch my MC Hammer. You ain't never powered up, nigga Bruce Banner. Baby crack the door, I think I'm catching.
I stopped aiming, I just started pushing at her. Let me see what we're looking like. Let's see what we're looking like, y'all. I swear to God, I had to stop. Ooh, shit, I was aiming all at the top corner. Nah, it ain't nothing in the top corner. Let's keep in mind this is a 30 clip. Okay, that ain't bad at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 24. Let's keep in mind I wasn't even aiming this bitch, y'all. Damn, that bit nice. I wasn't even aiming that bit for real. I swear to God. I just started dumping out. That bit nice. Alright, y'all. So we done ran this, the clear one. Okay, 48 out of 50, 2 jams. Okay. Now for the fucking fun, the finale, we're gonna see how the 762 drum spit the 762. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see what we're gonna do. ProMag 762 drum. Fantastic. Fantastic. That's great. That's crazy. 40 millimeter. Glock 20. 22. Glock 22, Gen 3 with the 50 round. Got a little button on the back of that bit too. Not those buttons, and I'm gonna run probably like 15 through here just to let some more ProMag shouldn't be. See? Why you gotta do that right there. I'm glad that was okay. Bro, just off the button, bro. Bro got to switch down that bitch, bro. What the fuck? Bro got to switch down that bitch. We just gonna go to the quickly, bro.
Yeah. That shit goes through like the whole mag in like a second.
Bro, how many even fit in the mag?
25 rounds.
25? Damn.
25 like a
Recap, alright. So we're gonna start with, what do we shoot first? We shot the regular stock clip in the 10 millimeter just to, get a taste for that bit, because that was my first time shooting a 10 milli. And honestly, bro, I'm a compact guy. I love full-size Glocks too, but I'm a compact guy, so I'm still gonna rock out my 4.5 as my everyday carry. I'm 4-nick pack, man. It's so small, but it just packs so much motherfucking punch. I'm just 4-nick till I die, man. I can't lie. But 10 milli, very, very, very butter. The 10 milli is very butter, okay? I'm not sure the manufacturer for that clear clip. I gotta go look at it again. But the clear extension for the 10 milli, you don't trust your life with that one, bro. It's not two gems in a life or death situation, bro. Put that shit in the trash, bro. Put that shit in the trash. ProMag 7.62 drum, butter, bro. The 7.62 ProMag, butter. I highly recommend, if you got a 7.62 and you fuck with the high capacity magazines, drums, completely worth it. Completely worth it. I ain't seen no reviews on it. I'm glad I'm being able to be like one of the first ones to get like a real in-depth review on it. That ProMag 7.62 butter. If you was looking at it and you was scared to pay the ticket, pay it. Butter. It's butter. But yeah, I had fun today, man. That AR surprised me. That bit's so nice, bro. I stopped aiming towards the end, bro. The SIG sight on there is crazy. Crazy. I stopped aiming towards the end. You seen the video. I just started rapping in it a little bit, and in the next one I was indoor, so I couldn't shoot the Drake or the 2 ARPs. And we didn't shoot the Draco. So we're shooting all of those in the next video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be a movie, man. Keep me motivated. Hit that subscribe button. Like this motherfucker. Share it. We up, man.
I done nodded off on Quagan in a 3.5, but that's that. On the road, I'm chasing paper, gotta watch out for them alligator. Fuck the Google Maps, I beat the road, I know a route that's safer. OG told me, talk it out with your mans, you can't fall out by paper.